Welcome back to Cars Updates, where we dive into the latest and greatest in the automotive world. Today, we're taking a closer look at the highly anticipated 2025 Chevrolet Equinox. This mid-size SUV promises a blend of style, comfort, and technology that could make it a top contender in its segment. Design: the 2025 Equinox boasts a sleek and modern exterior that reflects Chevrolet's bold design language. The front fascia features a distinctive grille flanked by sharp LED headlights, giving it a sporty and aggressive look. The overall silhouette is streamlined, enhancing its aerodynamic efficiency while also providing a more upscale presence on the road. The available color options are vibrant, ensuring that there's a perfect hue for everyone's taste. Plus, with its sculpted sides and well-defined curves, the Equinox stands out without being over the top. Interior: the 2025 Equinox is where practicality meets sophistication. The cabin is designed with high-quality materials and thoughtful ergonomics, making it inviting for both drivers and passengers. The spacious layout accommodates 5 adults comfortably, and there's plenty of cargo space for all your gear. Chevrolet has integrated a user-friendly infotainment system featuring a large touchscreen display, intuitive controls, and compatibility with both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Soft touch surfaces and available leather upholstery add a touch of luxury, making every journey enjoyable. Performance: the 2025 Equinox offers a range of efficient engine options tailored to meet varying needs. The base engine delivers a smooth ride with commendable fuel efficiency, perfect for daily commutes. For those seeking a bit more power, an upgraded turbocharged variant is available, providing an exhilarating driving experience without sacrificing economy. The suspension system strikes a balance between comfort and sportiness, allowing for confident handling on winding roads and a smooth ride over bumps. Plus, with advanced safety features and driver assistance technologies, the Equinox ensures peace of mind on every trip. Stay tuned to Cars Updates for more in-depth reviews and the latest automotive news. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Be sure to let us know your thoughts on this model in the comments below, and stay tuned for more updates here on Cars Updates.